Jesus. I'm so tired today, y'all. Let's just get this started, okay? I'm Nemesis. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so before we get started, let's talk about the song of the motherfucking week. Yeah. Today's, give me a minute. The song of the week goes out to a real motherfucking one, Mr. Daddy Yankee. DY, the big boss. Why, you may ask? I mean, because he's a legend, but also he recently announced his retirement and we're all in our feelings. But I personally want to highlight one of my favorite songs, and I'm saying one of because you can't just go up to any Latinx person and be like,
tell me your favorite Daddy Yankee song.
Especially if they're Boricua. Bitch, imposible. O sea, hello. One of my favorite songs from Daddy Yankee is Salgo para la Calle featuring Randy. That song is from his album Talento de Barrio. That album just hit fucking different, bitch, because I was experimenting, perreando hasta abajo en París de Marquesina. O sea, also the intro to that song is one of the illest fucking intros of any reggaeton song. Bitch, fight me. If I hear that anywhere, that's it. It's over. It's over. Shout out to a motherfucking real one, Daddy Yankee, bitch. Okay, let's move on. Alright, so before we get started, second thing I wanted to tell you guys. So your girl Nemesis Marie has applied to be part of the Sephora Squad 2022. So if you've never heard of the Sephora Squad, it's like a long year partnership with Sephora, between Sephora and creators. And I would get the opportunity to work closer with brands that they sell, etc, etc. And in order to be considered, I need some testimonials from you guys, the people that I create content for. So if you do feel inclined, if you feel like I've helped you in any way, shape, or form in your natural hair journey, in your wavy hair journey, in your curly hair journey, whatever it is, it would be amazing if you could write a little testimonial. I will leave the link in the description down below. Please check it out. And that's it. All right, now let's get started. So as you saw by the title of today's video, today we're gonna talk about some of my favorite Sephora picks for wavy curly hair. Why am I doing this? Because the Sephora Spring Sale 2022 is approaching. It's coming, bitch. It's coming for all of us in our wallets. The sale starts on April 1st for Rouge members, then April 5th for VIB members, and April 7th for Beauty Insiders, and it will all end on the 11th of April. So I mean, you got time, bitch. You got time. All right, so I have 10 products for ya, and they cover almost all the bases on a curly / wavy hair wash day routine. So let's start with in shower products. First off, we have a shampoo and conditioner. Yes, we do, of course, duh, hello. Here we have the Living Proof Curl Shampoo and Conditioner. This is not the first time I mentioned these in my channel. I mentioned them on my rice water rinse video, and I showed you guys how incredibly moisturizing both of these products are, including the shampoo. I showed in that video how I was able to detangle my hair with just the shampoo. Never experienced that shit in my life. That's how moisturizing these are. But if you have fine wavy hair, don't be alarmed. Like, I think this still would work for you. It's moisturizing without being oily or heavy. Also, it smells really good. The scent of the shampoo doesn't linger that much, but the scent of the conditioner for some reason lingers more. But then again, if you don't like scent of shampoo and conditioners, then stay away from this one. But they are really good. They are so good. Suitable for all curl types, from waves, curls, and coils. It's also sulfate free. I think Living Proof has a whole promise of like all their products are sulfate free, silicone free, paraben free, all you know, all the bad shit. They don't have any of that shit. All right, moving on to the second in shower product. Here we have a lovely addition to the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair line. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Mega Strength Rice Water Protein Plus Moisture Strengthening Treatment. What a fucking name, Jesus. So this is a hair mask or a treatment, however you decide to use it, that has equal parts protein and equal parts moisture. As you know, curlies and wavies love talking about the moisture protein balance. That's me. I'm curlies and wavies. I love talking about the moisture protein balance. can I say? It's very important. All jokes aside, this product is great, honestly. If you are looking to splurge on a hair mask that will actually do something for your hair and will cover all the bases, definitely go for this one. I also really like the way that they like package this product. It has a pump, but it has two little holes there because one dispenses the protein side and the other dispenses the moisture side. So you get literally equal parts of each product every time you use it. It's great for people that struggle with that protein moisture balance. I think this is also kind of safe to use every time you wash your hair because it's not like, since it's both things in one, it's balanced enough that I don't think you're gonna get moisture overload or protein overload from this one product. I mean, hey Gem, we love Briogeo in this household too. We love her. All right, now speaking of treatments, I'm sorry. I know y'all are tired of me mentioning this little stupid bottle. This is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. An icon if I've ever seen one. A necessity? Would I call this a necessity? Will I call this okay, maybe not a necessity. But if you're the type of person that likes playing around with their hair, likes coloring it or straightening it every once in a while, or like doing very tight hairstyles, you know, if you like to switch it up like that very often and doing things that your hair might not appreciate that much, this might be a necessity. Let me explain what the fuck it is for those of you who don't. So this is a bond repairing treatment. It's absolutely wonderful. This is formulated to strengthen and reinforce hair that has been either chemically treated, that has been breaking a lot. I absolutely love using this for special occasions. First of all, when I really want my hair to just look its best. Also great for when I've been doing very tight hairstyles like sleek buns or like little braids, whatever the fuck, whatever hairstyle I know that my hair doesn't particularly love, I go for this. It's so versatile and so easy to use. This is a pre-wash treatment. So you basically get your hair all wet, detangle, apply the product from root to tip, leave it on for at least a minimum of 20 minutes, and then you wash it off and continue the rest of your routine as you usually do. All right, now moving on to styling products. Yeah, where the fun begins. Yeah, let's start with a leave-in conditioner. There are so many. The one I have personally been loving since the first time I tried it and still keep repurchasing every time I run out is this one. This is the Verb Curl Leave-In Conditioner. Why do I love it so much? It mostly has to do with texture and consistency. It has a very milky type of look and consistency that just works perfectly for my personal hair texture and for my personal hair density. A little bit of it also goes a very long way, and I think that since it's such a like a thin liquidy experience, my hair just absorbs it better and easier, you know, so it doesn't stay like just lingering on top of my hair. I feel like my hair actually drinks this shit up like a big old glass of oat milk. I don't know. All right, next product. We have a defining cream. Yes, we do. And it's also from Briogeo. Yeah, I told you we love Briogeo in this household. This is the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream. Damn, it's like a thing for Briogeo to like name their products like a whole paragraph. This is a fantastic defining cream that also has a good amount of protein in it. She has rice amino acids. We love rice. We love eating rice. We love creating rice water here. We love using products with rice. We love rice. Rice is the best. The texture and consistency of this specific defining cream is very similar of a rich leave-in conditioner. It's kind of like a defining cream and a leave-in conditioner put in one. I actually showed this cream in action on my 3 styling methods video. If you guys want to see it in action, go check out that video because for all 3 wash days, I used this defining cream and all the results were spectacular. But also, I should warn you that if you have fine wavy hair, a little bit of this goes a long way. Don't OD, don't be creating little mountains in your hand with this product because it will be a little bit too heavy. Okay, that's it. All right, next product, we have another defining cream. Yeah, we do. Why? Because I love giving you options. Yes, that's why. We have the Whey Curl Creme. Isn't she fancy? Like, she looks fancy. She's like aesthetic. She's a minimal curl. And she's not a curl cream, she's a curl creme. And she's also very heavily fragranced, so beware. But I think they have a fragrance-free version of this. So there's that. See, I love giving you options. This is a great defining cream. I think this one is protein-free. I don't really see any proteins in this ingredient list. If you know that this has protein, please let me know. Please correct me. But the consistency of this one is very different from the Briogeo one. This is almost like a cream and a pomade in one. Is very thick. She's thick. And I've said before on my channel that I enjoy thick creams that have that pasty feeling because they do provide definition and hold and all of the things. But I would say that I specifically recommend this one for those of you who fall more into the curly category rather than the wavy. Or if you're right in the middle like me, yes. But if you're just wavy, like you know that you have probably like from 2A to maybe 2C waves, I wouldn't specifically recommend this one for you because it might weigh your hair down, honestly, because she's thick, bro. And if you like scented product, oh baby, you're in for a ride with this one. This shit smells like a luxury perfume. I can kid you not. Yeah, she's great. She does the job. She's very thick, provides hold, provides definition, and it's beautifully fragranced. Let me shut up. All right, now moving on to gel. Okay, I have a fun one. Look at this beautiful bottle. If this isn't the most beautiful bottle packaging thing, bro, are you kidding me? I'm not gonna say that I bought it for the bottle alone, but I was heavily influenced by the bottle. It's gorgeous. This is the Mica Curl Corpse. How the fuck do you pronounce that word? People that speak English, how do you pronounce that? Curl core? Oh my God, let's ignore the name. Enhancing gel. Oh, she's a beauty. She's so lovely. Not just because the bottle is gorgeous, but the actual product is wonderful. This is the perfect type of gel for those of you who don't like dealing with very strong casts or stickiness, who just use your gels for definition and that's it. I actually used it today. Look, and my results are good. I have tons of definition and bounce and shine and we're good. If you like flexible hold, this is the one for you. But also you can build this up to get a very strong cast if that's what you want, if that's what you like. But I feel like this is the perfect type of gel for when I don't want to deal with that shit. I'm like slowly falling in love with Mica products and this is the first one that got me like, okay, Mica, I'll see you, girl. Actually, lol, we have another Mica product. We have a mousse. Okay, this is a big deal. Why? Because this is the first high-end mousse that I purchased. All of my other mousses are from the drugstore and they're all wonderful. Do not come for them, especially for Miss. That's my girl. That's my wife. Don't say anything about her. But this is fun. This is a fun, very good volumizing alternative. This is the Mica Plus Size Perfect Body Mousse. And she does exactly that. I used it today in conjunction with the gel. And I mean, hello, we got body. Yeah, we got body. Yeah. We got body, we got volume. There's no denying that. It also adds a very good amount of hold. And also good news for those of you who follow the Curly Girl method to a T. Both of these Mica products are Curly Girl method approved. So from that video that I posted, the drugstore video, I saw some comments of people being like, oh, I would love to try those products, but they have silicones or whatever. Options, baby. Alternatives. They're good shit. I'm telling you, I'm slowly falling in love with the Mica products. And it's not just because of their beautiful packaging. Are you kidding me? It's like they do it on purpose. They want me to buy their shit. And it's working. All right, we're down to the last two products. Oh, yay! We have a product from Living Proof again. Yay! All right, more specifically, this is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume and Texture Spray. Listen, let me explain. I used to be team definition girl, but then my hair got so fucking long. I was like, I could use some volume. I could use some root lifting, you know? So I started experimenting with volumizing products, including mousses and also dry shampoos and volumizing sprays. So I was curious. I was like, okay, so let me see, let me try it. I love it. It's wonderful for those of you who deal with limp hair or roots that just refuse to stay up. They're just gonna be there slicked to your head. I'm gonna use a little bit of it right now just so that you see it in action. So I divided my hair in a section and I'm gonna spray it directly onto my root, but from far away, girl, like 6 to 10 inches away. And then I'll do a little bit of root massaging. And that's it. Wow. Do I need to keep going? Do I need to keep saying words? Yeah, I don't think so. All right, and the very last product for today, y'all have seen it on my channel many a times, but I'm gonna show it to you again. This is the Jisu Honey Infused Hair Oil. She's a doll. She's wonderful. Now, I will say she runs on the thicker side, just like me. She does in fact look like honey, like very golden honey. I usually don't go for very thick oils when I end up with a very strong gel cast. I rather go for like thinner oils. But for wash days like today, for example, I didn't end up with a very strong cast. Actually, I'm gonna apply it a little bit more. It's a wonderful, nourishing hair oil that can be used to break gel casts, or it can be used as like treatment. I also have used that oil for whenever I want to detangle my hair before hopping in the shower. It's just so multifaceted. Like, you can use it for such a variety of things and it will work. It adds nourishment, it adds shine, it adds some frizz control because it locks in moisture after you're done on your wash days. It's fantastic to use for your ends specifically that get very dry, at least mine do. And as I said, you can even use it for treatments. So you can use it on dry hair, you can also use it on wet hair. And also, this is the mini. They have one that's bigger, but girl, I've used this so much and look, a dent barely has been made. So this is gonna last me a long ass time. Okay, and that's it. Those are all my Sephora sale recommendations for wavy and curly hair. I really hope this was helpful if you were planning on participating in the sale, or if you were not, maybe one or two of these products caught your attention. I don't know. I mean, truly, they're all good. I hope if you get them that they work for you as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at nemesismarie06 or on TikTok at nemesismarie, whatever the fuck it is. I never remember what my TikTok handle it. But anyways, there for more hair content and most importantly, girls, boys, gender non-binaries. Have a great rest of your day.